But from your point of view, and just thinking about where AI has been at, let's say, a year ago or 8, 9 months ago until now, what are your thoughts? Like, where do you think it's going?
So I think there is a bubble that's going to explode. There's all these companies that are coming out with stuff that people are like, this sounds great. Let me try to implement it. They never implement it. It doesn't do what they want. The AI company charts them as revenue. I got a $100,000 company just signed on. It's like, homie, they're going to churn in 4 days. Like, they don't like what you have, or what you have doesn't really work. It's going to pop. So there's going to be some sort of cascading event of AI not being implemented, like the dreams of AI, kind of like your pets.com style of cascading failures.